डेव्हलपमेंट जो आसा तो सिमिलर आहा. द हायेस्ट, द मोस्ट अँड टॉलेस्ट ग्राफ इन ऑगस्ट अँड ऑक्टोबर इज ऑब्वियसली डेव्हलपमेंट. इन्फ्लेशन, मागीर करप्शन, गार्बेज इज अ व्हेरी मेजर इशू आणि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. आणि जे आमचे इमोटिव्ह इश्यूज आसात, कसिनोज, मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स, MOI, रिजनल प्लॅन, स्पेशल स्टेटस, हांकां लोक ऑक्टोबराक महत्व दिनात आणि ऑगस्टाकय महत्व दिनाशिल्ले.
Realize that MOI, special status, nothing is going to change. Even the regional plan, nothing is going to change.
There are two things. One, there is a pessimism that nothing is going to change, or I frankly consider that it is not an issue at all. It affects me in my
not
life.
Like that, not like that. Nothing is going to change. Because people have realized that these are dream issues which were just sold to us. The people have been selling us dreams.
And they are concentrating on the right things, that is development, unemployment. These are the things. Basically, when you look at everything, it's about money, you know. You need. But what was surprising for me is that even garbage has become such a huge issue. That means the government, the people are actually saying this government has failed on this issue.
Correct.
Corruption comes on number 5. लोकांनी मानून घेतला की एक इतले सर्टन लेवल करप्शन आसतलें.
कितें आसा ना, करप्शन म्हणजे कितें, खंयचेंय गव्हर्मेंट येवं, करप्शन कमी कांय जावचें ना. हो लोकांचो संबंध जाल्लो आसा. कित्याक काँग्रेसचें सरकार करप्ट म्हणून BJPचें हाडलें, पूण BJP तागेलेच भाव जाले. म्हणजे थंय पळय कितें आसा, नोकरी दिवपाक धरून सुद्दां पयशे घेतात. करप्शन करूनय जर डेव्हलपमेंट जाता,
हय, जाल्यार लोकांक जाय. This is an interesting point of view. गोंया भितर आमगेल्या की तूं करप्ट असल्यार कोता येता, डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक जाय.
That is, I think, the practical approach of the voter.
They would have come up if they had other areas which they could showcase to the people. Like they are not taking any stand on any other issue, and they are telling us that we are going back to the people.
कांक फटको बसना.
पण म्हाका केन्ना लागता, म्हाका जॉब जाय, म्हाका जर जॉबा खातीर 5 लाख दिवचे पडले, तर हांव म्हणटा घे जावं, जॉब मेळटा न्ही, घे 5 लाख. So that is why it is a secondary issue.
No, but casinos as an issue.
It is there. It is there.
No, it was 4.4 before, it was 5.6 now. A government based on the schemes it provided. Now this is a very, very interesting thing. In August, only 37% people said that they will vote for this government because of the schemes. In October, 50% people are saying that they will vote for this government because of schemes.